Sub-assembly, disassembly, kickstarter spindle. Wash the kickstarter spindle assembly first using high flash point solvent and dry using compressed air. Remove kick return spring collar. Unhook the spring end from the hole in the kickstarter spindle and remove kick return spring. Remove circlip. Do not expand the circlip more than necessary for removal. Remove thrust washer. Remove kickstarter pinion. Remove thrust washer. Remove starter ratchet. Remove ratchet spring. Now, to remove the wedged washer, install the starter ratchet on the kickstarter spindle and gently tap as shown.